So I've been working more with the Maker Pi Pico board from the company in Malaysia. They have a whole bunch of Python, MicroPython, and CircuitPython examples, and I've been creating some C examples based on theirs that hopefully will be part of their GitHub once I've got a few more completed. But one of the ones that I was working on is using a Midi shield, which is normally for an Arduino, but I'm using it here with the Pico board. It required me to use a level shifter because one is 5 volt and one is 3 volts. But anyway, in my program I've got a basically a two-dimensional array, an array of structures which have arrays, and each one has a Midi note and a 4 or 2 for it's a quarter note or a half note, and 0 is for a rest. So I basically have this whole big array of structures that is a melody, and it's based on one of the examples again from the people that made the Maker Pi Pico. And I wrote a simple program that kind of initializes the UART, which is what I'm doing here, setting up the UART for using pin 0 and 1 for transmit and receive, and then I'm looping through my structure and basically sending the Midi notes out and pausing for a moment for how long the rest is to be, and then turning the note off. So this is kind of what it'll sound like after I transmit it from here. It goes to the Midi shield and plays on my keyboard down here. And that is the Maker Pi Pico board. Transmitting again using a level shifter to an Arduino Midi shield, going to my Midi keyboard, all using C and the C++ SDK.